Okay, let's see. Where is it? It's never really this crowded. The door is actually open on these cars. It's hard to find passenger cars like this that do that. And not only that, but you can also put passenger cars inside it. I mean, not passengers. Let's see. Oops. It's really hard to get the camera right when there's all these hills in the way. Can't get it exactly where I want it. Maybe I'll put a drivable person there so that you can get a closer look at it. For some reason, this locomotive always reverses a little bit before going forward. It's the only locomotive I have that did that on this test. What just happened? I must have pressed the wrong button or something. I don't remember pressing any buttons though. Okay. I don't remember changing that switch. Did I click on it by accident? Is this one a dining car? Okay. Yep, it is. Okay, that's a little too bad. The passengers disappear when you go inside it. But I guess that's okay. Can I zoom in and see what's on the newspaper? It's probably the same thing the passengers read at the station. Oh wait. Concentrated super suds. Oh, it must be an advertisement. Oh, it is an advertisement. And that must be the menu. Not sure what that is. Wow, this looks very luxurious. It even has lamps and everything. I finally found out why this locomotive wouldn't start. For some reason, this start button, even though it worked on Trainz 2006, and I think on Trainz 2009 too, it doesn't work on Trainz 2012. But there is another button you can use. It's a little less realistic than doing it yourself, but if you really need this locomotive to start, use the stop or stop locomotives command. Start all locomotives. That's weird, I don't hear it anymore. The bell still doesn't work, but the horn does. I tried to change the horn earlier, but for some reason when you try to edit this locomotive it says you don't have permission. Anyway, I still can't use the reverser or the throttle or the dynamic brake. I have to use this thing right here to use those levers. The sound of the engine keeps disappearing for some reason. Oh yeah, the windshield wiper switches also work. Let's see. Where's the reverser on this thing? Is this it? Yeah, that's it. And which one of these is the throttle? Okay, that's the throttle. I can still use the brake lever. For some reason, that's the only one that works. This is the only locomotive with a digital display on this entire game. Other locomotives have digital displays, but they don't move, which I find disappointing. Traffic light still doesn't change in time. What's wrong with the sound effects? Wow, look at that.